I hate Rubik's Cubes! Okay, well, where did you get a Rubik's Cube from? I don't know, and I found out that this is not a Rubik's Cube. Oh, that's probably from cheap stuff store. They always sell rip-off stuff. Okay, now everyone listen to me. I'm gonna announce the prize. Well, what is it? Uh, Wait a moment, just stay there. He's gone. This random plushie. I hope they like it. This is awesome. What could it do? Oh, well, it's worth like 1 billion or something. Okay, I'm doing this challenge right now. Okay. The first thing you have to do is make teams because we're gonna be using teams for this challenge. All right. Yo, let's be in a team. Okay, sure. Hey, monster truck, whatever you are, we completed our team. Oh no, it's 5 teams of 6. Okay then, who should we let to join our team? Oh, can I? I'll be really good at cleaning. Uh, shall we, guys? All right, sure. Yeah. Okay, well, we're friends, so let's be in a team. So, should we join a team? All right. Okay, now get out of here. Let's form a team. Oh, can I join? Okay. There. Let's just go to someone like behind us. I don't know. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? Back off. Yeah, just no. Ah, let's go to our right. Yeah. Look what you've done, idiots. Now our friend is crashed. Okay, who are these guys right next to us? Oh, hey. Hey, guys, are you a criminal? Oh, I am. Yeah. Okay, well, do you want to form a team? All right. Okay. Completed. Okay, now what's going on here? Oh, my friend crashed into someone else's friend. Yeah, I don't know why he did that. They're still broken, you know. Uh, don't worry, I'll just use my friend. Wait, I feel better now. Same. Okay, now what? Like, seriously. I think we should also go to the team behind us. Yeah. What are you two doing here? Oh, we have to make teams. Wait, what? We had to make teams? Well, you guys were far away. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, us two are gonna make a team. You can join if you want. Alright. Guys, wait for me. You know, I think we should join the cool guys. Alright. Hey guys, can we join your team? Uh, hmm. Shall we? No, sorry. Okay, then let's go here. Can we join your team? Uh, alright, I guess. I think we should join this team. Alright. Sorry, but you seven can't be in a team because your team is over full. Get out of here! Okay, much better now. Ow! Huh? My friends rejected me. They didn't know they weren't actually liking me. Oh, I feel bad. Do you want to join our team? Alright. Team completed. Wait, this is the guy that scared me. No, I don't want to be with him. Okay, well, I'm going with you. Hey guys, can I join your team? Okay. Why did you say okay? Come on, we need more people. I guess we have no choice but to join that team. I don't really want to be with the policemen. The police cars. Okay, but like, I just feel scared. Well, we have no choice, so we have to go. Team completed. Team completed. Okay, it seems that all teams are done. Now we could start the challenge. So, you know how it's New Year? Well, I'm gonna turn one of you into fireworks. So, this is how it works. So, people in the team have to vote for who should be the firework. Then, when all people are chosen, go to this fireworkifier. They go in it, get sent back, and then press the button, and they're fireworks. Do this for all teams. And the person who got the least farthest has to go also with their team. Okay, well, that seems easy. So I'm just gonna go. Wait a minute, I wanna go. No, I want to. Me! Oh, me! I'm faster! Oh, you're not! Oh, wait, look at there, there's spinning bananas! What? Haha. Hey! Okay, I guess you're going for your team. I think I should go because I could fly. Nah, I think I should go. Yeah, I agree with him. Yep. Oh, come on! Yay! I should go! No, me! You're just a stupid little car. Let me go. No! I will have to go. I'm way faster. You guys, it's not about speed. Like, it might be, but okay, I have no words. Grrr. Ah. Karma, I guess. Ah. I am getting suffered so badly. Guess I'm going now. Heh. I think I should go. Alright, we don't really care. Everyone knows I'm the fastest. I'll just go. I'll go. What? Why not me? Okay, now we have our 5 volunteers. But be careful, because you rely on your team. Your team relies on you. This guy sucks at his grabber. Go. Ah, what the heck? That was painful. Okay, I'm glad I did not go. Okay, Super Race Car is going first. That was not a firework. Next is cool racing car. Now it's Earth Day car. It's car from the future. Last but not least, Tesla. Okay, here are the results. Does that mean me and my team are now gone? Yes. We're gone in 3, 2, 1. Okay, there. Hey, Monster Truck, I have a question. Yes? There's still a bunch of us left, and you said we're doing a challenge, and we're done the challenge now. Oh, yeah, you're doing a bunch more challenges. What? Yeah, until there's one person left, and then they get the prize. Oh, I thought we were all gonna get this. Okay, well, womp womp. See you next time in car battle.